Time travel. A concept that has captivated humanity for centuries. But is it just fantasy, or is there someone who has truly traveled through time? Today, we will delve into the mysterious case of Andrew Carlson, who claimed to be from the year 2256. Was he really a time traveler, or was there something else behind it? Let's try to unravel this mystery. In 2003, a man named Andrew Carlson made headlines. He was accused of insider trading, but the strangest part was that he seemed to know future stock market trends. He claimed to have brought this information from the year 2256. In just 2 weeks, he made millions based on this knowledge. However, when suspicions arose over his rapidly growing wealth, he was arrested. After his arrest, Andrew explained that he was from the future, and his information wasn't sourced illegally but brought from the future itself. This claim left the authorities baffled. But he had no concrete evidence. Could he really have traveled through time, or was it all just an elaborate fraud? The idea of time travel isn't just science fiction, there are some actual scientific theories behind it. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time isn't always the same. If a person travels close to the speed of light, time moves slower for them. This phenomenon is called time dilation. However, to prove this, we would need advanced technological tools. Additionally, some scientists believe that we could travel through time using wormholes, space-time tunnels, but these are still just theories, and there is no proof yet. Was Andrew Carlson truly a time traveler, or was his story just a lie? Some believe he may have used information about future stock markets and his claim of time travel was just a way to gain attention. On the other hand, others think he could have been part of a secret government experiment involving time travel technology. But we may never know the full truth. After Carlson's arrest, his story faded into obscurity. Some believe he was silenced to prevent any time travel-related information from leaking out. Several theories have emerged since then. Some people believe time travel is indeed happening, and Carlson was a part of it. Could there be other time travelers among us, unknown to the public? So, was Andrew Carlson truly a time traveler, or was his claim just a story? This mystery remains unsolved to this day. But the idea of time travel keeps us wondering if it could ever be possible. What do you think? Do you believe Andrew Carlson was truly from the future, or was it all a fraud? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing mysteries.